Ready to explore a land where nature and culture meet in the most unforgettable ways? Welcome to the Netherlands. From endless tulip fields to centuries-old windmills and vibrant cityscapes to tranquil national parks, we're covering the most amazing spots that capture the heart of Dutch life. Stick around to discover our top pick. You won't want to miss it. Number 1. Kinderdijk, iconic windmills and Dutch heritage. Our first stop is the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Kinderdijk, home to the Netherlands' most iconic windmills. These 19 beautifully preserved windmills were built in the 18th century to manage water levels, a critical task in a country below sea level. Walking or cycling through this picturesque area feels like stepping into a classic Dutch painting, with canals, windmills, and scenic views all around. Kinderdijk isn't just a beautiful landscape. It's a testament to Dutch ingenuity and resilience. Visitors can even tour some of the windmills, discovering how these massive structures once protected the land from flooding. For an authentic Dutch experience that combines history and beauty, Kinderdijk is simply unmissable. Number 2. Keukenhof Gardens, the world's largest flower garden. Next, we're off to Keukenhof Gardens, a paradise for flower lovers and one of the world's largest flower gardens. Spanning over 32 hectares, Keukenhof bursts into color each spring with millions of tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths in full bloom. It's like stepping into a kaleidoscope of color, where every corner reveals breathtaking floral displays. Keukenhof is open for just a few weeks each year, typically from mid-March to mid-May. So timing is everything. Visitors can stroll along themed gardens, take boat tours, and enjoy scenic views that highlight the Netherlands' love for horticulture. If you're visiting in spring, Keukenhof Gardens is an experience you'll remember forever. Number 3. Hoge Veluwe National Park, a haven of natural beauty. For those who love the outdoors, Hoge Veluwe National Park offers a diverse and stunning landscape. This is the Netherlands' largest national park, featuring dense forests, shifting dunes, and serene heathlands. It's a sanctuary for local wildlife, including red deer, wild boars, and countless bird species. Visitors can explore the park on foot, bike, or even on free white bikes provided at the entrance. The park also houses the Kröller-Müller Museum, home to the world's second-largest Van Gogh collection. So, whether you're into art, nature, or both, Hoge Veluwe has something for everyone. Number 4. Giethoorn, the Dutch village without roads. Giethoorn, often called the Venice of the North, is a peaceful village where roads are replaced by canals. With charming, thatched roof houses and tranquil waterways, Giethoorn feels like a step back in time. It's a place where the pace of life slows down and the beauty of simplicity takes center stage. Most visitors explore the village by boat, drifting through the canals and admiring the picturesque scenery. It's the ideal escape for anyone looking to experience a quiet, storybook-like town where nature and tradition harmoniously blend. Number 5. The Wadden Sea, a unique UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next, we have the Wadden Sea, a vast tidal area shared by the Netherlands, Germany, and Denmark. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is known for its unique tidal flats and sandbars, which are exposed during low tide. The Wadden Sea is a haven for migratory birds and marine life, making it a dream destination for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Visitors can go mudflat hiking, where you walk on the seabed during low tide, a one-of-a-kind experience that brings you up close to this dynamic ecosystem. For an adventure that reveals the Netherlands' natural wonders, the Wadden Sea is a must-visit. Number 6. Zaanse Schans, a living museum of Dutch history. Zaanse Schans is like stepping into a living museum of Dutch heritage. This village features iconic green wooden houses, historic windmills, and traditional workshops where you can watch artisans make wooden clogs and fresh Dutch cheese. It's an immersive experience that brings to life the craftsmanship and traditions of the Netherlands. Many of the windmills are still in operation, and visitors can tour them to see how they process materials like grain, oil, and even paint pigments. Zaanse Schans is an ideal destination for anyone wanting a closer look at Dutch craftsmanship, culture, and history in a charming, open-air setting. Number 7. The Hague, the Netherlands' political and cultural capital. Known as the political heart of the Netherlands, The Hague is home to the Dutch government, the International Court of Justice, and the stunning Peace Palace. But The Hague is more than just politics. It's also rich in art, culture, and history. The Mauritshuis Museum, for example, houses world-famous paintings like Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring. Stroll through the royal palaces, explore historic neighborhoods, or relax at the nearby seaside in Scheveningen. The Hague is a city where tradition meets modernity, offering a wealth of experiences for travelers interested in both culture and contemporary life. Number 8. Utrecht. Historic canals with a twist. Utrecht may be smaller than Amsterdam, but it's packed with charm and history. What makes Utrecht's canals unique are the wharf cellars that line the waterways, transformed into cozy cafes, shops, and art galleries. You can stroll along the canal or grab a seat at one of the many waterside spots to take in the views. The city's Dom Tower, the tallest church tower in the Netherlands, is a must-visit. Climb to the top for panoramic views of the city. With its rich medieval history and modern creative vibe, Utrecht is a vibrant city, blending the old with the new. Number 9. Maastricht, a melting pot of European cultures. Nestled in the southernmost tip of the Netherlands, Maastricht is a vibrant city where Dutch traditions meld beautifully with French and Belgian influences. This historic city is renowned for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the majestic Maastricht Basilica and the imposing fortifications that once defended the city. The Vrijthof Square, with its lively cafes and events, is the beating heart of the city, hosting famous festivals like the annual Carnival and open-air concerts. Delve into the underground at the St. Petersburg Caves, a sprawling network of tunnels that have served various purposes from marl quarrying to WWII hideouts. Maastricht isn't just a city, it's a cultural adventure that encapsulates a rich blend of European history with a cosmopolitan vibe, making it an essential destination for anyone visiting the Netherlands. Number 10. The Biesbosch National Park, a dynamic riverine ecosystem. As one of the last extensive areas of freshwater tidal wetlands in Europe, the Biesbosch National Park offers an exceptional natural experience. This expansive park features a network of rivers and streams, creating a dynamic landscape that shifts with the tides. The area is a sanctuary for wildlife, including the elusive European beaver, which has been successfully reintroduced to the region. The park's rich biodiversity is best explored by water, rent a kayak, or join a guided boat tour to navigate through its intricate waterways and lush willow forests. Birdwatchers will delight in spotting rare species, while the tranquil paths offer peaceful hiking opportunities. The Biesbosch is not just a park, but a living, breathing ecosystem that showcases nature's resilience and beauty. It's the perfect finale for a journey through the Netherlands, offering both tranquility and adventure to its visitors. And that's a wrap on the most amazing spots in the Netherlands. From historic windmills to vibrant flower fields and incredible national parks, these places highlight the country's blend of nature and culture. Which spot are you adding to your travel list? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more global adventures. The wonders of the Netherlands await.